Hello, if x plus 1 over x equals square root of 2, what is x raised power 29 plus 1 over x raised power 29 equals to? Here is the solution. This is what we are given. We have x plus 1 over x equals square root of 2. So now, let's square both sides of this equation. So we're going to have square here, and we're going to have square here. So this implies, when you expand this guy very well, you're going to obtain s squared plus 1 over s squared plus 2 equals square root of 2 all squared, that is 2, because this guy takes care of this guy. So now let's proceed further. So this implies s squared plus 1 over s squared equals 0, because when this guy goes to the right hand side, we have 2 minus 2, which is 0. So let's multiply both sides of this equation by s squared. So we're going to have x squared times s squared plus 1 over s squared equals s squared times 0. So this implies s squared times s squared, that is x raised to the power 4, plus s squared times 1 over x squared, that is 1, equals s squared times 0, that is 0. So this implies x raised to the power 4 equals to negative 1. So let's take note of this guy, and we call it star. So now back to what we are looking for. X raised to the power 29 plus 1 over x raised to the power 29. So we're going to have x raised to the power 29 plus 1 over x raised to the power 29. X raised to the power 29 can be written as x raised to the power 28 plus 1 plus 1 over x raised to the power 28 plus 1. So this equals, by laws of inverse, so we're going to have x raised to the power 28 times x raised to the power 1 plus 1 over x raised to the power 28 times x raised to the power 1. So this also equals, 28 can be written as 4 times 7. So we're going to have x raised to the power 4 times 7 times x raised to the power 1 is the same thing as x plus 1 over x raised to the power 4 times 7 times x. So let's proceed further. We can write this guy as x raised to the power 4 times 7 by laws of indices. So we have x plus 1 over x raised to the power 4 times 7 times x. So this equals, what is x raised to the power 4? That is exactly what we have in equation start, which is negative 1. So we are going to plug this value here. So we're going to have minus 1 raised to the power 7 times x plus 1 over minus 1 raised to the power 7 times x. So this equals minus 1 raised to the power 7, that is minus 1. So we have minus 1 times x plus 1 over minus 1 raised to the power 7, that is minus 1 times x. So this equals, you will observe that minus 1 can be factored out because it is common. So we're going to have minus 1 into x plus 1 over x. So this equals x plus 1 over x. We already have it. So x plus 1 over x is equals to square root of 2, which is already given. So we are going to plug in this value into what we obtained here. So we're going to have minus 1 times square root of 2. So this equals minus square root of 2 when we multiply this guy. So therefore, x raised to the power 29 plus 1 over x raised to the power 29 is equals to minus square root of 2. So this is the required solution. That's it. Thanks for watching.